Dekoni Audio's Elite Fenestrated Sheepskin is the rugged and breathable sheepskin of the Dekoni Elite series. Taking our ultra-popular sheepskin and punching holes into the surface, this elite pad vents low-frequency content and heat for extra comfort and a well-rounded sound signature. Each pair of Dekoni Audio earpads is designed to fit its respective headphone model perfectly, which makes sure the earpads seal around your ear for unparalleled isolation. Our high-density memory foam will warm up to your ear and mold to your head and glasses with ease to allow for longer listening sessions without discomfort. Each of our pads is fine-tuned utilizing frequency response software in our headphone measurement lab, with all results available for viewing on our blog and product pages. Dekoni Audio prides itself on the quality of its products, and we stand behind every facet of the design and manufacturing of our products. Feel and hear the difference yourself with a pair of Dekoni Audio's Elite Fenestrated Sheepskin earpads today. For all the latest from Dekoni, check us out at dekoniaudio.com.